Today is testing. So coming to the testing internal orders. Why we are using internal orders? This is to track the cost. It can be CAPEX cost or OPEX cost. CAPEX means like assets, like machinery. I want to buy a machinery like windmill, wind turbine, something. So we cannot go and buy from the factory. We have to bring and we have to assemble. Okay. So a wing we have to buy, we have to get it, and we have to buy the motor, we have to buy the there are hundreds of components we need to buy and we need to assemble. Suppose even your laptops, olden days, we used to buy the RAM separately, CPU separately, monitor separately, and we used to assemble. So this kind of thing, if I want to track in the system, that is a capital expenses. Operating expenses means, though this is like event. So we are doing one marriage. It's like a event. So when coming to the business, they will be having a success meets. Suppose Britannia Industries, they wanted to conduct one success meeting in Novotel Hotel. Novotel. Okay. So they wanted to bring all the employees to the Vizag and they want to conduct one meeting. So they want to give some refreshment for them and they wanted to motivate them. So they wanted to train them. Okay, it's a 2 days, 3 days event. So for that, lot of expenses will be there. So they will be having food expenses, they will be having traveling expenses, they will be having other expenses. Okay. So I need to track everything. I need to track, I need to track everything. Uh, Track everything in the system. So that is called operations. So that is called OPEX, operating expenses. OP means operating, EX means expenses. Now, X scenario requirement. Requirement is requirement or scenario. This is a live. Why we use internal order means this is a live case I'm sharing to you. We are conducting a success meet for Q4 2025 success meet. That's it again by Q4 and all. Okay, again you'll get confused. 2025 means what's that? 2026 means you'll get confused. So we are going to conduct success meet for financial year 2025. Last year we got a good growth and we need to have that success. So we are conducting a success meet for financial year 2025. In this meeting at Novotel, Vizag. Okay. So now in this meeting, we are having lot of expenses like food. Okay. First of all, this is the event. Now for this event, company has given budget. How much? They have given budget of, they have given budget of 500,000. That means 5 lakh rupees. So for this event, they have given me 5 lakhs budget. So actual expenses. So in budget, what we have done, if you are crossing 80% of 5 lakhs, automatically warning will come. If you are crossing more than 5 lakhs, error will come. So that facility we have activated in the system. So budget has been activated. Okay. Okay, we'll see that also during testing. Now, actual expenses. Actual expenses, what will be the actual expenses? Food. Food, we spent around 2,50,000 rupees. Okay, 1,50,000 rupees. That's it, right? If you are taking any hotel means we need to spend the food. Next one, food is there. Next, uh, accommodation. I'll take another 1.5 lakh. Accommodation means rooms. or that hotel expenses, everything will come here. This is another 1.5 lakh, 3 lakh rupees done. So next, what will happen? So, okay, we'll take transportation. Very good. TRANS transportation. It is around 1 lakh rupees for senior management coming, flight tickets, etc., etc. Okay, it may be flight ticket, it may be car travel, anything. They will post into this only one GL account, transportation. Now, how much expenses? 3 plus 1, 4. So what I will do? Uh, I will do this food, I'll make it as 2 lakhs. This accommodation, I'll make it as 2 lakhs. 2 plus 2, 4, right? Plus 1, 5. Now, transportation, it became 1 lakh 10,000 rupees. Transportation, 1 lakh 10,000. Now, total is around 5 lakhs 10,000. But how much budget I received from the management? It is only 5 lakhs. Now, this scenario, we are going to see in the system how our internal orders are going to capture and how SAP is going to benefit the business. Ideally, SAP is a software. Why? To run my business successfully. So I'm running my business successfully. I need to record my transactions. That SAP should help me. Last year you have conducted event in Novatel, so this much expenses has happened. I can see that anytime. Okay, that's the purpose of internal orders. Or even I want to send a report for the management, I can use this. That's the purpose, right? So let us see this how. Okay, so think only on business point of view. Don't think on SAP point of view. So where we are going, where we are clicking. If you see 5 times automatically, that will come to your mind. So you have to think how SAP is benefiting business. Our mind should think how it is going to use business. Okay, what is the process? If you know the process, SAP is dead easy. If you don't know the process, if you read 20 times, if you see 20 times also, you will not understand. First process. So you understood the process, right? So process is clear. Now let us go and create.